Welcome to another video on my fischertechnik robot interface programmed in BASIC. An acronym standing for Beginners All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. Been around for many years. And the robot interface has also been around for many years. It has a serial interface right here. Extension interface, not used now. Motor interface for 4 motors, in my case 2 motors and an LED, because separately motor outputs can be used for separate outputs. Digital inputs, analog outputs and inputs, and distance. Also this can be used for phototransistor, since that is digital switch. So this and that are both switches. Current update. The last time that I found out that one of the 2 data logs are actually working. With respect to time, I found out that they are not being filled as quickly and as nicely as I had hoped, and as smoothly as hoped, because I can only watch the content of the data log after I quit Octave, mathematical scientific programming language. So how to compare? Well, you can't. After looking at that database, or at the data, I found that I have to improve my basic code. There are too many questions left. Considering this robot interface from fischertechnik, it has also 2 types of memory, 2 flash memories, 1 random access memory. Flash memory is non-volatile. It is it retains its content. Random access memory, power gone, should be memory loss. Because BASIC is in this case written for Windows, I have to use wine to compile it, to compile the BASIC code into a hex file. Hex file upload to a random access memory, and the interpreter, because BASIC is an interpreter language, resides in flash, and the code in random access memory. So with all that said, let me go to the software side and do further explanation and upload. So software. First upload, using FT uploader, then which you should upload, followed by the name it gets and where it should go. Because of the Windows-based compiler, I have to use the Wine emulator. Wine is not an emulator, which it is, by the way. BASIC code, and well, this is winehq on the other side of this cable. I want to reuse it. Then one data log, and this is very strange, because here I show that this is the only sentence that it appears in, and this is an N and not a comma, and the slash N will go. That was a test last time, failing, so it goes. Then, although this is being gone via data log being done via Octave. So somehow, somewhere, the data coming in from here is translated by a comma. Big question, why? Doesn't make sense. Then here everything goes better, but after this program has stopped. So first of all, let's concentrate on this, on the coder. So I have to remove all instances of /n. /n normally means new line, but that obviously does not work in here. Yes, it is surprising, but so be it. And here I didn't put /n, I don't mind. Everywhere I have put sonar to speed up the number, or to increase the number of sonar occurrences and to speed up the comparison. Anyway, right, then compile. Really? Why is this happening? Oh, but it seems to end nicely, by the way. That's alright. I don't mind. So let's make this. And yes, the hex file is of this date. This is the code and this is the compiled version. So now I upload. That's good. Now I have to go right here, select memory, yep, and press the button, and it works. Now the whole sequence. Press the button. That's alright. Motor goes. And oh, by the way, then I should show it here. That's strange. Why is nothing coming through? Oh, it is. Right. So shining and press. Goes almost without saying that this doesn't mean input to any data file, because this is in Minicom. This is nice. Everything is alright. Quitting. That's one thing. Starting Octave, because they both use a serial interface. Go. Ah, right, here we are again. It can't, somehow it is not being able to use the serial interface, which is TTY USB 0. So, yep, and I have to use the 0 version, so and that means that now I can. And you see immediately errors in data. doesn't make any sense whatsoever. Alright, sonar with a limitation of 2 centimeters. Motor slowing down. And now things are working out, hitting in. So, let's go to the data log file. This one as well. And it says 0. So, alright, it is the correct day. So the big question is, what is in here now? Okay, so be it. The question, and now what is in here? Nothing. So this is a big question. Why is this one filled and why is this one not filled? So I am now quitting this one. And actually waiting. See? Now it is filled. So there you go. Why the difference? And why are characters nicely coming in through Minicom but not via this one? That is a very big question and I want to solve it. Okay. Now I have changed something in code and you can see that I now also have V2 transpose prior to printing it, so now it's more clear which is which. What is not clear is why the data is mangled. Well, if you look at this part of the code, which gets from the data, you can see it is 22 elements. And if you look here, well, this is a lot longer than 22 elements, and yet it is all being processed. Looking here, it doesn't make much sense. Trend and then systor and a large and sonar, and here in while, well, where's the R coming from? So here as well, the A suddenly changed into an I. Here an R changed into an O. This doesn't make much sense either. So where does this come from? In Minicom it goes fine, but in Octave it doesn't. So should I make V2 completely empty again? Fill everything with zeros after using it? And then what? See if more data is being processed. It is done in a while, and I do assume, but I'm not certain, that everything gets filled. So let's count. This is 5, this is 5, this is 5. So that's 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Exactly the same. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, it's only 19. That may give a problem. So, then 5, 8, 9, 14, no, 13. 13 is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I need to add more characters. So, this is 2, or more appropriate, this is 22. So this is 5. This is 5, this is 5, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Yes, okay, so that is quite easy to do. This is also the same number. Then this is also the same number. It's 22. Now this is 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Here needs one extra. This needs a whole lot of extra. Like this. This, oh, here is even still slash n present. So this is 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. The only problem here will be too many. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 14, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. This goes over 22 characters. So that bundles up. And this is then 5, 10, 15, 20, this, and this needs one. Oops, other side. This needs one. So this, if I, oh, I can do this easy, minus just one whole word. Alright, and this is enough. And this is clearly too many. But we'll see how this happens, how this works out. Is it still running? It's not running. So this gives me the opportunity to power cycle. Compile. I said compile, and that went well. Yep, that went well. Upload. Yep, and run again. So let's update the new version. And go. And oh, let's run Octave then, because that is quite necessity if you want to do things. So what I do, and some sonar stuff as well. And at times like this it is almost unfortunate you have only two hands. So, alright, that is with sonar, and there you go. Alright, let's now see how this works out. I give an X to quit, and so no longer any data is going into the file. And I miss data. Is that correct that I do miss data? Well, in here of course, here alright, LED no sonar, O sonar, N is missing, O is missing. Whatever happens here, I have no clue. So let's check on this one. Kind of works, but this is quite interesting. LED missing, ED missing from LED. So that means actually that it distinctly misses out. Big question is why? Why does Octave misses out on bytes, on data? Why is that? Let's see again here. V2 is empty, completely empty. Here, there's nothing. Well, here it says something. Here not. Here it does. Here it is alright. Kind of. This doesn't make sense. This doesn't make sense. A missing. O missing. N missing. So, despite the various conditions that I have made here, it is not just one character that's missing. LED no sonar. Alright, let's take that one. That is actually character 6. Character 6 is missing. Actually, I should do it differently. I should make use of timestamp. That makes it much more easy to find out which is happening when. That said, a timestamp would be much easier to use when I can code it in BASIC, and I don't know if that is possible. When happens something and why? And when is time? So going back, various moments that I press this switch, right here. Various moments that I do something with the sonar and do something here with the phototransistor. But when in time is that happening? So timing says it all. And with that result, decision to introduce timing next time, I say thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment or suggestion. Always welcome, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please show your support by making a donation via either PayPal or wire transfer. And you can also become a patron, and depending on the pledge you make, may have your name mentioned. All information under this video, including the URL of my website. And this is obviously going to be continued. For now, have a nice day and bye bye.